The Linden Hills boiler room inspection procedure. Step 1 is to inspect the air pressure. That should be about 20 pounds. Every week, let the water out of the air compressor by opening the valve and having the water drain into the receptacle. Visually inspect for moisture, which should be present if the new boiler is running. The new boiler is running when it's not on 0. Inspect the temperature and pressure. The temperature should be above 90. It's about at 140 right now. And the pressure should be within the 2 marks. It's high at the moment, which would be a cause to notify somebody.